Today we are heading to a couple of different tourist attraction places in TJ's hometown of Trang. So right now we are driving to Bon Amron, which is the natural hot spring in this area. And we've been here a couple times before, and it's a quiet place. There's not a lot of tourists. It's not well known, but the water is a nice temperature. What do you think? What's the temperature of the water?
I think it's about 40 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, so they have different pools, and some of them are around 40 Celsius.
Yes, and some of them around almost 70 degrees Celsius.
70? Holy cow.
Let's see.
Even 40 is pretty hot. We've been here before, but we haven't been in a while, so I've forgotten what the different pools are like.
Today is Saturday, so I saw many people.
He says there's many people, but there's literally only 3 cars in the parking lot. This is a lot of people for this hot spring, though. It's usually pretty quiet. So the best times to come to this hot spring are either early in the morning or later in the evening when the air temperature is not that hot, because the water is always pretty warm. TJ just looked online and they do have a pool that gets up to 70 degrees C.
I think that's one.
The one near the front?
Yeah.
So apparently it depends on the day. So today it's only 48, but some days it gets up to 70. No. My turn. That's pretty hot. But I would think that's 48, not 70. I bet if it were 70, they wouldn't even let people play in the water. Don't you think?
No one play in this pool.
Yeah, because it's hot. The pool on the right has a sign that basically says don't play in the water. But then the pool on the left, you are allowed to play in. And that pool over there is 43 degrees Celsius right now. I think you should head for the ones near the back of the park because the water is cooler back there. And even 43, I think is really hot. So
I'm just curious, why you like to use water heater?
The water heater doesn't get up to 43.
Really?
Comfortable for me is like 35.
Oh.
Yeah, so we'll go to the ones in the back, which are closer to like 35, 37 degrees.
Prisoner in your cold war anymore, oh no. But I have a feeling that we never really move on from our past. Sometimes I just wanna go back, try to make it all undone. So it didn't have to hurt this bad. I don't say goodbye. I don't do this bad.
Are you coming in?
Okay.
Don't go, whoa. You should know why. My Gemini, my love. You found, you lost. Told me I was everything you wanted, and now I'm haunted. Your ghost is all I see.
We just finished playing at the waterfall. Oh, sorry. We just finished playing at the hot springs, and now we are heading to a tiny waterfall, which again, there's not going to be hardly anyone there because this is a more quiet part of Trang province. So they don't get many tourists here. When we get there, we'll see how many people are actually there. But now that we are all hot from the hot springs, now it's time to go cool off in the waterfall.
Guess how many people you will find?
I think 0.
I think so. Yes.
Peacock Waterfall. Cold. I don't like cold water.
Dragging the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
I can't go any deeper than that. It's too cold for me. Do you want to go in? Okay, we switch. I'll hold the camera and you go in.
Ah.
Yeah. Keep going.
Rolling in the wilderness, we'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do what we own.
I will not happy if I need to play alone.
Do you want me to go in too?
Yeah.
Okay.
That we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we
They even have this natural swing. This is another tier of the waterfall that locals like to come play in. And the water here is so clear and pretty. You want to play TJ?
Sure.
Okay.
someday we will look back and our hearts will be whole again. I want to remember all that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray.
So we are done here.
Yeah. The water, when I first got in, the water was really cold, but then once you get used to it, it's pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
And it's fun to play in when it's so hot. But I didn't go all the way in because I just washed my hair last night and I don't want to have to wash it again tonight. It's tiny, but it's very fun to play in, and the water is really clear and pretty.
And the one that I really like is very less people here.
Yeah, it's so peaceful and quiet and just relaxing, and it feels like we have our own personal waterfall. Now TJ gets to cross the bamboo bridge.
Ready?
Ready.
All that happened to us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when
Okay, my turn to cross, but you have to take the camera.
we are old and gray, we'll look back at
I'm getting bitten by ants.
the summer night.
Which place did you like better, the hot spring or the waterfall?
Waterfall.
Yeah, I like the waterfall too. The hot spring is nice on a cold weather day, which there aren't that many of them in Thailand. If it's chilly, I think the hot spring is more fun, but on a hot day like today, I think the waterfall is more fun.
Yeah, but the road is very bad.
Yeah. A very bouncy road. So like on your way here, the first half of it is paved and then the second half of it is unpaved. So it's just a dirt road and it's very rocky.
And I think maybe only local people will know this.
It's tucked away along a back road where it's mostly just rubber farms back here and a few people's homes. And if you don't know where the waterfall is, then you wouldn't be able to see it from the road. So I think not a lot of people know about it.
Maybe only local people come to there.
Yeah. So that's all for today. I hope you guys had fun traveling with us, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.
So now we're here at Hat Yao Beach, which if you translate Hat Yao into English, it means long beach. I'll show you some footage. It's pretty long. Usually we're the only ones here. Usually there's no one else here. But I think today, since it's a Saturday, a lot of families have brought their kids here to play. Just as we did. Not our kids, but our nephews. One of the things that I love about Thai beaches is the water is always the perfect temperature. It's never cold. It's always just like
26, 28.
yeah. It's just like the perfect temperature all year round, even in January like it is right now.
Even nighttime,
Yeah.
not so cold.
What would you say is the famous thing about this beach? What is this beach known for?
The rock.
Yeah, that cliff over there.
Yeah, it's like a shark fin.
Yeah, the cliff looks like a shark
That's
fin.
one. One time I play in the ocean and with my friend. The dolphin coming to here to us.
Wow.
And we are run.
Did you think it was a shark?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go down to the water.
Okay.
You guard the stuff.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it